Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the file safe. Convert the layer to a smart object so every step stays editable. Once done, open Camera Raw and choose Enhance Super Resolution to quadruple effective pixels. This often yields the cleanest base. If Super Resolution isn't available, go Image Size and resample using Preserve Details too. 0. Set a modest upscale like 150 to 300% and click OK. You're aiming to increase pixel data while keeping edges intact before sharpening. Once the image is larger, reduce noise first because sharpening will exaggerate speckle. Open Camera Raw and tweak luminance and color noise sliders, then apply subtle detail and masking. Next, add Smart Sharpen as a smart filter. Set radius low and amount moderate, increase radius only for larger details. Alternatively, duplicate the layer, apply High Pass at 1.53px, and set Blend to Overlay or Soft Light for micro contrast. Make incremental passes, toggling the filter visibility to you finish by refining localized areas. Add a mask to the sharpening layer and paint on the areas that benefit eyes, hair, edges, while leaving smooth skin alone. Then open Camera Raw for last texture and clarity tweaks. Make sure to apply output sharpening when exporting for web or print. If you see halos or harsh noise, step back. Reduce the sharpen amount, lower radius, or run a tiny Gaussian blur on problematic zones. Make sure to save a layered PSD so you can revisit adjustments later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.